Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create Windows Defender offline ISO. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download 32 or 64-bit version. Open downloaded file. Click Next. Click Accept. Check on a USB flash drive that is not password protected. Click Next. Click Next. You have successfully installed the app on a USB flash drive. Click Finish. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.